Greetings and welcome. Today we're going to explore 33 creative and less common uses of salt in daily life. Although we typically consider it merely a seasoning, salt possesses qualities that make it a fantastic component for a wide range of uses, from personal care and home cleaning to simple culinary hacks. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a collection of practical ideas you can apply regularly. Let's begin. Use number 1. Saltwater gargle for throat discomfort. When experiencing a sore throat, a simple homemade solution involves gargling warm water mixed with a teaspoon of salt. While not a substitute for medical advice, it can provide short-term relief. Avoid swallowing the mix, rinse your mouth afterward, and repeat as necessary. Use number 2. Scalp treatment. Salt can benefit your scalp too. Add a teaspoon of fine salt to your regular shampoo. Massage it lightly into your scalp, and then rinse it away. This light scrubbing can reduce dandruff and soak up excess oils. Be sure to use it occasionally to prevent drying out your scalp. Use number 3. Shoe deodorizer. If your athletic shoes start to smell unpleasant, sprinkle some salt inside and let it sit overnight. The next day, shake out the salt. It will have absorbed moisture and odors. You can repeat this and even add tea tree essential oil to boost the freshening effect. Use number 4. Checking egg freshness. Here's another useful hack. If you're unsure whether an egg is still good, place it in a glass filled with water and a spoonful of salt. If the egg drops to the bottom and lies flat, it's fresh. If it rises or tilts, it's likely past its prime and should not be consumed. Use number 5. Removing garlic and onion odor from hands. Cutting onions or garlic often leaves a lasting smell. To get rid of it, rub your hands with salt and a little water, then rinse thoroughly. Salt acts as a gentle scrub and removes the oils responsible for the smell, leaving your hands odor-free. Use number 6. Exfoliating the face. Were you aware that salt can play a helpful role in facial treatments? Blend 1 teaspoon of salt with a bit of water or a natural oil, such as jojoba or almond oil, to prepare a mild exfoliant. Massage gently in circles over your face, particularly in areas needing extra care. Then wash off with warm water. You'll feel your skin become smoother and more radiant, as the salt particles help eliminate dead skin. Use number 7. Crunchier salad. Here's a kitchen tip. To keep salad vegetables crisp, wash and dry them well, then add a little salt before adding your dressing. Don't go overboard. Too much salt will change the flavor, but just enough will help preserve the leaves' firmness until served. Use number 8. Red wine stain removal. For more domestic uses, salt can rescue fabric stained with red wine. If a spill happens on a napkin or clothing, cover the area quickly with salt so it absorbs the liquid. Then rinse with cold water and launder as normal. Acting fast increases your chances of getting rid of the stain entirely. Use number 9. Easy peel hard-boiled eggs. For easier peeling, toss a tablespoon of salt into the pot when boiling eggs. It helps the shell separate from the egg more easily, saving time and preventing damage to the egg itself. Use number 10. Preserving food. We can't overlook salt's traditional role in food preservation. Brines, made by mixing water, salt, and optional herbs or spices, are used to store vegetables, olives, and more. This process not only extends shelf life, but also gives food a rich, savory flavor. Use number 11. Lip care. During colder months or when the air is especially dry, chapped lips are common. A tiny bit of salt mixed with honey or a natural oil makes a great lip exfoliant to remove flaky skin. Rub gently, since lips are delicate, and rinse off with warm water. They'll be smoother and prepped for your favorite lip product. Use number 12. Foot soak for relief. At the end of a tiring day, a foot soak with salt can be very comforting. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into warm water and soak your feet for around 10 minutes. The salt helps ease puffiness and boosts relaxation. For a refreshing touch, add a few drops of peppermint oil. Use number 13. Sponge disinfection. Sponges used for dishwashing tend to develop smells and bacteria over time. A handy cleaning method is to let them soak in hot water with salt for a few hours. After that, rinse and dry them. This not only cleans them but also extends their usability. Use number 14, exfoliating the body. Salt can also be the base for a DIY body exfoliant. Combine 3 tablespoons of coarse salt with either olive or coconut oil and optionally add several drops of your preferred essential oil, such as lavender, rosemary, or citrus. Use circular motions to rub the mixture onto your arms, legs, and back, then rinse it off. Your skin will be refreshed and soft, perfect before hair removal or a relaxing soak. Use number 15, cast iron rust removal. If you own cast iron cookware, you know it needs care to stay in good shape. To get rid of rust or burnt-on residue, warm up the pan, sprinkle coarse salt over it, and scrub with a cloth. The salt acts like an abrasive without harming the metal. Use number 16, tackling mold spots. For small mold stains on fabric or walls, combine salt with lemon juice to make a paste. Spread it over the area, let it rest for a bit, then gently scrub and rinse or wipe with a wet cloth. Both ingredients have natural cleaning and whitening effects that can minimize mold appearance. Use number 17, polishing silver. Salt works well for restoring silver items like jewelry or cutlery. Fill a bowl with hot water, add some salt and a small piece of aluminum foil. Submerge the silver and wait several minutes. Afterward, take them out and gently wipe them with a soft cloth. They'll regain their original shine. Use number 18, fast beverage cooling. Did you forget to chill your drinks and need them cold quickly? Just fill a bowl or container with water, add ice and a generous amount of salt, then place your bottle or can inside. Due to the salt's effect on temperature, the liquid inside will cool significantly faster, ready to drink in just minutes. Use number 19, cleaning copper and brass. Mix together salt, flour, and vinegar to make a cleaning paste. Apply it with a cloth or sponge to tarnished surfaces, let it sit briefly, then rinse with warm water. Dry thoroughly, and you'll notice their restored luster. Use number 20, preventing fruit from browning. If you've chopped apples or made a fruit salad in advance and want to avoid browning, soak the fruit in water with a small amount of salt for a few minutes, then rinse them. This method helps the fruit retain its natural appearance longer, preventing the typical brown discoloration. Use number 21, quicker boiling water. Adding salt to pasta water is common, but it also causes the water to come to a boil slightly faster. While the difference isn't huge, including salt from the start can shave a little time off your cooking. Use number 22, crispy baked chicken skin. For those who enjoy their roasted chicken with a crunchy golden layer, lightly sprinkle salt on the skin before baking. The salt helps draw out moisture, leading to a crispier finish. Just be cautious not to use too much or it may overpower the natural flavor of the meat. Use number 23, naturally repel ants. If you've spotted ants entering your home, salt can serve as a simple and natural deterrent. Sprinkle a line of salt along thresholds, windowsills, cracks, or wherever ants seem to be coming in. Salt disrupts their scent trails and creates a barrier they tend to avoid. While it won't eliminate the nest, it's a handy way to keep them from entering without using chemicals. Use number 24, more stable whipped cream. Getting cream to the perfect consistency can be tricky. Adding a small pinch of salt before whipping helps make the mixture firmer and more stable. Just be mindful of how much you use so the taste remains subtle. Use number 25, kill weeds between patio cracks. Weeds often sprout between the joints of outdoor tiles or paving stones. To get rid of them, dissolve coarse salt in hot water, use 1 part salt to 2 parts water, and carefully pour it over the unwanted plants. The salt dries out the roots and prevents regrowth. Be precise. Avoid nearby grass or garden plants as salt can affect all vegetation it touches. Use number 26, soothing bug bites. If you're suffering from mosquito or insect bites, you can create a mixture of salt and water and dab it gently onto the irritated area. Salt can ease itching and reduce swelling temporarily. Don't scrub though. Being too rough can aggravate the skin further. Use number 27, clean soot from fireplace or wood stove glass. The glass on wood stove doors or fireplace inserts can easily become covered in black soot. To clean it, make a thick paste by mixing fine salt with a bit of water. Apply it to the glass and scrub with a sponge. The salt works as a gentle abrasive, effectively lifting the soot without scratching the glass, an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Use number 28, preserving laundry colors. To help prevent color fading when washing clothes, throw a spoon of salt into the machine. It's an age-old and inexpensive method, especially useful for vibrant colored items. Give it a try and see the difference. Use number 29, descaling teapots and coffee makers. If your teapot or coffee machine is showing signs of lime buildup, salt can help with that too. Prepare a salt solution and use it to clean away mineral deposits. Use number 30, degreasing pots. For stuck-on grease or stubborn residue on pots and pans, rely on salt's scrubbing ability. Sprinkle coarse salt on the surface, then scrub using a damp sponge or cloth. This will help loosen the grime and make your detergent work more effectively. Use number 31, reducing oil splatter. While cooking, when frying, oil often pops and leaves stains. A quick fix is to sprinkle a small amount of salt into the hot oil before adding your ingredients. This helps absorb moisture and limits splattering, keeping your stovetop cleaner. Use number 32, keeping flowers alive longer. Want your cut flowers to last a little longer? Add a bit of salt to the water in the vase. You can also include a few drops of lemon juice or a small spoon of sugar to reduce bacterial growth and keep the flowers looking fresh. Use number 33, deodorizing kitchen towels. Cloths and dish rags often absorb strong kitchen odors. Before putting them in the washing machine, soak them in a saltwater solution for about half an hour, then rinse. This pre-treatment helps them come out fresher and cleaner after a regular wash. That wraps up the list of 33 creative and unexpected uses for salt. As you've seen, with a touch of imagination, this simple ingredient can become a powerful tool in various parts of daily life. Whether it's for personal care, housekeeping, or culinary tricks, salt proves itself incredibly versatile. Try out a few of these ideas at home and let me know which ones you enjoyed most. Thanks for watching. See you next time.